Hi and welcome. Lately I've been interested in watercolors, but I've never tried them before. But when I came across this book, Paint Yourself Calm by Jean Haines, Colorful Creative Mindfulness Through Watercolor, I felt like it was written specifically for me because I'm a very anxious person naturally, and I know that making art done in a specific kind of way does calm me down. And so when I read this title, I was very intrigued and I thought it'd be the perfect way to start with watercolors. This is not a typical how-to book where they give you a list of materials you need and then show you specific techniques to draw or paint realistically. This is not the book. It's a different kind of book. Everything in the book is presented through the author's personal point of view and life experiences, and how watercolor was there just like a friend to help her through life's obstacles and to ground her and calm her down. In the book, the author shows you specific watercolor techniques, but it's not from a technical aspect. It's really always from a personal, emotional journey aspect and a mindful way to put the pigment down on paper and how doing that can affect your mood. And it helps you to kind of let go of a preconceived idea or objective to attain, like to paint something realistically. Let go of expectations and rather focusing on really a mindful experience, as I was saying. I obviously really love this book. I think it's a great introduction to a new medium because there's absolutely zero pressure to perform. Basically, the book teaches you that art can make you feel a certain way, happy, energized, calm, if you focus on the process and if you remove any expectations from the process. And that's what's really interesting to me because I always battle with that feeling of expectations, perfectionism versus enjoying the moment. You know, I keep saying that in my tutorials. It's really important for me to get there to really truly enjoy the moment. Of course, there's 100 million reasons to make art. You can want to become better technically, and realism has its place for sure. But if you've never ever tried watercolor before and you want to know how art and creativity can directly affect your mood on a daily basis, this is the book. I really recommend it. Paint Yourself Calm by Jean Haines. I hope this book was helpful to you in any way, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you back. I'll see you soon in a few days for another one. Sending good vibes.